Good morning, children. Yesterday we had done ascending and descending order of numbers. Today I will be doing forming greatest and smallest numbers with a given set of digits. These are separate digits given to me with which I have to form the greatest number and the smallest number. How it can be formed? When I am forming the greatest number, I have to find the greatest number from here, and that is 9. Then comes 8, 6, 6 again, 5, 3, 2 and 0. From greatest to smallest I have to write to form the greatest number. One thing, children, hear very carefully, that when I form a number, I will not put the commas as it is given to me. The number will go simply like this. Next comes forming of smallest numbers. Now what is my smallest number? My smallest number is 0. But if I put 0 in front, that has no value. So my number will be reduced automatically. If I do not put one number here, then the total number will be reduced. So I have to put the 0, but I cannot put the 0 in front. So what should I do? I will write 2 first, because the 2 is the next smallest number. 2. Then I will bring down the 0. One smallest number and then the 0. Okay, and then gradually we will increase the numbers. After that it comes 3, 5, 6, 6, 8 and 9. There goes my smallest number. Be very careful about the placement of the 0, and be very careful that you do not put any commas in between. These are the two very important things. So you can have a practice of it. With each set you will form the greatest and the smallest numbers. 3 sets are given to you. You will do it as a practice for homework. The next topic for today is rounding of numbers. Now often we do not give the exact number. Suppose you have got 72 in maths, and anybody asks you how much you have got. You do not remember this 2. What do you say? You say, I have got 70% marks. Yes, this is actually rounding numbers. You have gone to the market. You have bought goods of 14,853 rupees. After coming back, when you are asked, you say that I have my marketing is of around 15,000 rupees. So this saying it in an approximate way is called rounding numbers. Now rounding numbers are done in different ways, like rounding to the nearest 10. No matter what my number is, I will only consider the numbers in the units or the ones place, because I have been asked to round off in the nearest 10. So here it is 53 rounded off to 50. Here it is 178 rounded off to 80. Now you will ask, ma'am, why this is 50 and why this has increased to 18? The reason being, any number which is less than 5 is considered to be no number. and if it is more than 5, then that number is added on to the tens place. Clear? Here, like this is less than 5, so it will remain as 9 itself. Next is rounding to the nearest hundreds. Similarly done. 153, 5, so it is 200. 127, 2, so it remains as 1300. 1550, 5, so it becomes 1600. Similarly, goes for rounding off in the thousands place. See, 6, 1 is increased, 7, 1 is increased, 1, no increase. Clear? And so you can do it. Round the given number to the nearest 100, nearest 1000 and nearest lakhs. Do this for homework. Thank you, children.